So let's look at question 7 here. The diameter of two gears in mesh is inversely proportional to the number of revolutions per minute each turns. Complete the table for the two gears in mesh using a constant of variation. So notice how we have the large gear, the diameter, we don't know, but we do know it spins at 30 RPMs. The small gear is 13 centimeters and it has the 780 RPMs. So the constant of variation, what we could do is multiply these two units together, looks like, but I'm not as familiar with the constant variation just yet. So let's play this out as a proportion to start with. Let's see if this plays out the same way. So notice how X is the diameter of the large gear. So that's in centimeters, and it's going to be 30 RPMs. And the smaller gear is 13 centimeters, and it's going to be 780 RPMs. So again, if I want to set up inverse relationship, we have to flip. So the X over the 13 is going to equal the 780 over the 30. So if we solve this using a proportion, we end up with, again, I'm multiplying 13 times 780. 13 times the 780. And then we're going to divide by the 30. That's going to give us this 338. So 338 is going to be the diameter of the larger gear, 338 centimeters. So if I play this out, the constant variation, notice that the 13 times the 780 would be the constant variation. And we said that was 10,140. And then to find the diameter of the larger pulley, that would be represent Y. So the constant variation would be the 10,140. And we would be dividing by X, which is the RPMs of our pulley. So this would represent the diameter of the large pulley, and this would represent the RPMs of the pulley. And this would be our this would be like, what is this? Centimeters and RPMs. And this is going to be 30 RPMs. And notice that the RPMs actually divide out to leave us our centimeters. So that does give us our math of 338 centimeters. So it does kind of work out there as well. So you can leave the units in there, and it should leave you with centimeters as your answer. So that's some of the stuff you can think about with respect to formulas. So the proportion or the formula can work. If you're doing a lot of problems, it seems like the formula would be much, much quicker.